Welcome back to Robo Rides, the channel where we break down the newest rides, the smartest tech, and the trucks that push the limits of what's possible on the road. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Ford F-150, the truck that continues to hold the crown as America's favorite pickup. This isn't just a refresh, this is Ford's way of saying, we're ready for the next decade of trucks, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 F-150 carries the rugged stance we all expect, but the lines have been sharpened and modernized. The front grille has a bolder presence with active shutters that adjust for aerodynamics. The LED headlights are slimmer, more futuristic, and integrate seamlessly into the fascia. Around back, the tailgate has gained new features, including a built-in step that's easier to use and a lighting system that makes loading at night simple. The body looks more sculpted, but don't mistake this for style alone. Every curve and cut has been shaped for aerodynamics and efficiency. Ford knows trucks need to work hard, but they also need to save fuel in a world that's moving toward electrification. Speaking of electrification, here's where things get really interesting. The 2026 F-150 lineup includes multiple powertrain choices. Of course, the tried-and-true gas engines are still here, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, the powerful 5.0-liter V8, and the big 3.5-liter EcoBoost. But Ford has doubled down on hybrids, offering an updated PowerBoost hybrid system with more torque, better towing, and improved fuel economy. And yes, the fully electric Lightning is still part of the family, with some important upgrades. The Lightning now boasts faster charging, an estimated 350-mile range on certain trims, and bidirectional charging so your truck can power your home or your job site when you need it. But let's talk performance because that's where F-150 buyers live. The new truck comes with improved suspension tuning for a smoother ride without sacrificing capability. Payload and towing numbers vary by engine, but Ford is claiming best in class for certain trims, with towing capacity pushing over 14,000 pounds when properly equipped. That's serious hauling power. Off-road fans haven't been forgotten either. The Tremor and Raptor models return, with upgraded shocks, more aggressive tires, and new drive modes tailored for sand, mud, and rock crawling. The Raptor in particular has been tuned with updated Fox shocks and a refined version of the 5.2-liter supercharged V8 that can put out over 700 horsepower. It's basically a street-legal desert racer with Ford badges. Inside, the cabin has leveled up. Ford understands that truck owners aren't just drivers anymore, they're business owners, families, and road trippers. The interior feels more premium across all trims. Even on the lower models, materials are improved, with soft touch surfaces and better ergonomics. Higher trims like the Platinum and Limited get leather seating, open-pore wood, and panoramic sunroofs. The big highlight is the technology. The 15.5-inch touchscreen is now standard on more trims, running Ford's latest Sync 5 system. It's faster, more responsive, and integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is fully digital, customizable, and can display everything from navigation to trailer info. And here's something that stands out. Ford has leaned into artificial intelligence. The new F-150 uses smart systems that learn your driving habits, adjust throttle response, and even predict maintenance needs before they become issues. For towing, the Pro Trailer Assist has been refined, making it almost effortless to line up your hitch and back up a trailer. Cameras all around the truck provide a 360-degree view, and the bed camera now includes zoom and spotlight features for those late-night hauls. Driver assistance has also stepped up. Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-free driving system, now supports more highways across the country and has smoother lane changes. Imagine driving across states with your hands off the wheel while the truck does the work. For long trips, that's a game changer. Safety tech includes blind spot monitoring for both the truck and the trailer, pre-collision assist, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise with stop and go. Now, trucks aren't just about performance and luxury. They're also about practicality. The 2026 F-150 continues to bring clever features owners love. The rear seats fold completely flat for extra storage, the center console flips into a flat workspace perfect for laptops, and the bed has new integrated tie-downs and power outlets. Pro Power Onboard returns, giving you a mobile generator capable of running tools, lights, or even your house in an emergency. Ford has listened to its customers, and you can see it in these small but impactful details. Fuel economy is better across the board thanks to lighter materials, hybrid options, and improved aerodynamics. Ford has used more high-strength aluminum and steel to reduce weight without sacrificing toughness. The hybrid can average over 24 miles per gallon, while the gas engines are tuned to deliver better numbers than before. The Lightning, of course, runs on electrons alone, and the expanded charging network makes it easier than ever to own one. Let's talk price because that's always the big question. The base XL starts around the mid-$30,000 range, making it accessible for work fleets. Most buyers will land in the XLT and Lariat trims, which climb into the 40s and 50s. The hybrid and higher luxury trims push into the 60s, while the Raptor and fully loaded limited editions can easily pass 80 grand. And the Lightning, with all its new features, starts higher but includes federal tax incentives that ease the cost for many buyers. So, who is the 2026 Ford F-150 for? Honestly, Ford has covered almost everyone. If you need a work truck, the XL has you. If you want family comfort with power to tow the boat, the Lariat or Platinum delivers. If you want to go off-road and tear through dunes, the Raptor is unbeatable. And if you want to join the EV revolution without giving up truck capability, the Lightning is ready. Ford has made sure the F-150 lineup isn't one truck, it's a family of trucks designed to fit different lives. At the end of the day, the 2026 F-150 proves why this model has been America's best-selling truck for over 4 decades. It's versatile, powerful, smart, and packed with features that matter to real drivers. It's not just about horsepower or towing bragging rights anymore. It's about blending performance, technology, and utility into one package that keeps the F-150 at the top of the game. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Ford F-150. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because Robo Rides is your go-to spot for the latest car and truck breakdowns. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about the new F-150. Would you go hybrid, electric, or stick with the classic V8? Thanks for riding with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.